Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 7 open beta, crashing at a startup, not launching or won't launch, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen problem on PS5 console. So here follow the fixes. Now before following any of the fixes, first keep the backup of your game progress to avoid unexpected game progress loss. So the fix one is to restart your PS5. So press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires and turn on your PlayStation and then launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to log out and log in. So log out from your PlayStation Network account, go to settings, users and accounts, others, sign out, wait for few minutes and then log in back. And then launch the game and check. If you have another secondary account, then log in with that and check if that works or not. Fix 3. Switch internet connection. First of all, use Ethernet cable to access internet on PS5 and then check. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, then connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can also connect to other Wi-Fi network, or also you can restart your modem or Wi-Fi router to reset your internet connection and then check. Fix 4. Switch Wi-Fi frequency. Go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection, press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz. See which one work for you. Fix 5. Rebuild database on PS5. Power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall socket. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Your console will boot into safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database, OK. Now launch Call of Duty Black Ops 7 open beta and check if the problem is solved or not. Fix 6. Restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other and go to restore license. Select Call of Duty Black Ops 7 open beta game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm. After this, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 7. Disable enable HDCP. Go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI tab. Turn off enable HDCP. Now check problem solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time turn on enable HDCP and then check. Fix 8. Delete game data and cache. Please make sure to back up the save data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to settings, save data and game/app settings. Select save data PS5 and navigate to console storage, delete. Now select Call of Duty Black Ops 7 open beta, then select delete, OK. Now restart your console and then try again. Fix 9. Change DNS settings manually. Go to PlayStation settings, network settings, set up internet connections. On your internet press start, advanced settings, DNS settings. Change DNS settings from automatic to manual. In primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then hit OK. Now launch the game and check. If your problem is not solved, then repeat the process and this time in primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and hit OK. Now launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. So if you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on a PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Call of Duty Black Ops 7 open beta game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So these were some of the fixes that will help you to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 7 open beta, crashing at a startup, not launching or won't launch, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, black screen issue on PS5 console. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.